possible. Folks, this is the last call for those tickets to be dropped in the bin. Last call. One to my right and one to my left.
Lalagay natin eh. Ito.
Bingo!
Okay na.
71053.
Kilala. Bingo.
71053. Nagulat pa ako.
71053.
Tagal naman ni Mau.
Last one. One more to my right.
Ala!
Allah!
Bakit? Baka sa papel. Wala. Sa papel siya.
Come on.
Wala, hana. Papel yan, papel. Ay, sa machine. Na-miss niya. Na-miss niya. Ayun, meron.
That's you. Any others?
Okay lang.
Any others? Yep,
Ay,
none.
bumalik ang pera ko.
We are closing this game.
Balik tayo.
Two good winners, those in this split. The prize, two ways. Alright, folks, once again, last call for those tickets to be dropped in the bin. Last call. Also, last call for that triple in that double action. Last call, those games will be played right after your intermission break. Once again, folks, please purchase those games right before your break.
Split to us.
How much?
150?
150?
Yeah, because 300 and the split is 2 150.
Oh. It's a regular game, right?
No.
This is
Oh, it's a
special.
Mhm.
All the regular games 500.
I don't see five.
Still money. Still a blessing.
20, 40, 45, 50. This is 150.
Wala tayong mabulasyon ngayon, ano?
Wala.
Do we have everybody raffle ticket?
Better than nothing. Kala ko, tig 150 tayo eh.
Wala ako nga eh.
Oh, Fed. Hindi pa.
$5 ka?
Wala na.
Last call
Pero.
for the raffle ticket.